Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable parental control on DOOGEE T10E. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on Kids and Family and click on Parental Controls. Now click on Let's Do This and click Sign In. Now you have to enter your pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And then click on Supervise. Click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click on Next. And click on Allow. And then click on Next again. Then click Done. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.